Because your home may well be your largest asset, selling right is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make. And once you've made that decision, you'll want to sell your home for the highest price in the time frame you desire without compromising your sanity. Before you place your home on the market, there is a way to help you be as prepared as possible. That's why we, along with industry experts, have created a report called 27 Valuable Tips That You Should Know to Get Your Home Sold Fast and for Top Dollar. This comprehensive guide tackles important issues you need to know to make your home competitive in today's challenging marketplace. By implementing these tips, you'll not only safeguard and capitalize on your most significant investment, but also minimize stress, stay in control of your situation, and maximize your profit. You'll discover how to avoid financial disappointment or worse, a financial disaster when selling your home by using our common sense approach. You will get the straight facts about what can make or break the sale of your home. You owe it to yourself to learn how these important tips will give you the competitive advantage. To get your copy of this free report, call or text to 905-965-5902. Your journey to a fast and lucrative home sale starts now. Don't miss out on this opportunity.